In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello power-ups. By the end, you'll comfortably add the calendar power-up to a board and use it to visualize and manage your due dates with ease. First, a quick bit of context. Power-ups in Trello are like add-ons that extend what your board can do. The calendar power-up is one of the most useful because it converts your board's due dates into a clear month or week view, making it simple to plan, spot bottlenecks, and keep commitments on track. Start on the Trello board where you want the calendar. Open the board menu and select power-ups. In the search bar, type calendar, then add the calendar power-up to your board. Depending on your workspace's plan and permissions, you might see limits on how many power-ups you can enable per board. If you run into a restriction, consider disabling a power-up you don't use often, or check with your workspace admin. Once the calendar power-up is added, you'll see a small calendar icon appear at the top right of your board. Click it to open the calendar. You can switch between a monthly view for big picture planning and a weekly view for more precise scheduling. Only cards with due dates will appear in the calendar, so if a task isn't showing up, it likely doesn't have a due date yet. A quick audit of your key cards to ensure they have dates will immediately make the calendar more useful. Inside the calendar, you can drag and drop cards to different days to reschedule. When you move a card, Trello automatically updates its due date, so you don't have to open the card to make that change. Use the weekly view when you need fine control over timing, especially if your cards include specific due times. This view helps you minimize overlaps and balance workload throughout the week. If you need to tweak details, click a card right from the calendar to open it and make edits. You can adjust the due date, refine the description, add labels for clarity, and mark tasks complete. Labels and clear card titles make your calendar easier to scan at a glance, especially on busy weeks. As your boards grow, filters can help you focus. Narrowing by label, member, or keyword lets you zero in on just the work that matters right now, all within the calendar view. That's it. Add the calendar power up, open the calendar icon, and manage due dates by viewing, dragging, and editing your cards in monthly or weekly views. With these steps, your Trello board transforms into a reliable, visual schedule you'll actually want to use.